There is somebody, your name is Shola. There's a problem with your right leg. Olushola Adebayo. There's a problem. You stepped as though on a charm. Come. What happened to your leg? You don't know. Stand up. The way you are laughing. Hey, why are you? Walk to me. Can I speak the counsel of the Lord for you? And your tummy. Can I speak the counsel of the Lord? Is it my entire body? That's what he said now. Is it my entire body? I speak divine health. That the Lord make you whole. That you be healed. Your time has come. In the name of Jesus.